There is no formalin is not poisonous. There's nothing to say that formalin is poisonous. Very weird. Let the people decide. People should decide. Honorable Court of JMSC today heard arguments on the petition filed by me for investigation into the formalin incident which has happened last year. The arguments were heard partly, and it is reserved for further arguments now on the 2nd of July. I have shown to the court, demonstrated during my arguments that this fish was brought laced with formalin and it was injurious to the health of bone. Surprisingly, the advocate who has been appointed on behalf of the FDA and the police, he says that there is nothing to show that formalin is a poison. He says there is nothing to show that formalin is a poison, and as a lawyer, he says that I am not an expert to say that formalin is a poison. I think it is common sense. Even an uneducated, illiterate person will know that formalin is a poisonous substance and can cause death, and that is why there was such a huge scare. Why the government or why the authorities are trying to defend these criminals? My complaint is against 17 individuals, operators of the truck who had brought this. The government actually should support us and to see that action is taken against these people, not support them and make a mess of the people who are buying fish. If action was taken against these people, some confidence would have come into the people to go and buy fish today. The fishermen today are suffering because people are not coming to the fish market to buy fish because they think that fish is still laced with formalin.